Hello everyone, welcome to the Big Guy Garage. If you're new here, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. If you're returning to watch videos, please hit that share button. We really need your support, but this is what we do here. Classics, rat rods, hot rods, resto mods. So, and also you can jump onto the shop and pick up the clothes, the shirts that help support the channel. But thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And here's your video. Alright, the floor is fully welded now. So now I have to start on these rockers. You already see I already cut here and there. But I'm gonna pull the plasma over here, cut the back line out of there, and get started on getting that crap cut out to fit the new one. Again, these are the cheaper ones. These are like 50 bucks for both. They have them on there for 400 that are like exact replacements, but really these trucks aren't valuable enough to spend $400 on a set of rockers. I know somebody's gonna hate that loves it, but it's just the way it is. Other side. He's the one for you. I got that side cut out, marked up, set in. After this side, but he took over the welding. Double doing it right now. I gotta cut this side out now. It sucks. It's just gone. But tag teaming. Well, I didn't realize my face was that dirty. I got a pretty good fitment up on it. Let's see what he thinks. I get a good fitment on it. I get her fitted up pretty good? Yeah. I'll have to make another patch panel for that end. Get that big hole fixed. So we're back. It's a little chilly in here. But what we're actually working on right now is we're dropping the rear to technically 2.5 because we like to remove the overload spring. Nobody really hauls in these things. Well, I mean, they haul ass, but that's about it. We are dropping the front 2-inch. We have 2-inch drop spindles. After I got that rocker done yesterday, I had to move the truck over so that way I can get to this side, which is actually worse than that side, which is hard to believe. But there's no back structure. Like, there's usually a piece that would go through the center right here that you would weld the bottom of the rocker slash step on. It's not there. So I might have to do a little work to that to get it to work. But them cheap rockers, they, you know, they're all right. They work, but it's that door falling because the truck's back jacked up. But let's take a look at them here. When you get them, they're bent like straight 90. If you look at this, like the rocker to the step is bent straight 90. I've bent this one more over. So the best way to do that is to weld in the actual step on first. So that way the rocker can be bent afterwards under to where it needs to be. If you don't, you bend it first, it sort of pushes the lip out like this, where it welds to where the old rockers were, and just gives you a total fight. Now there is going to be some updates coming for the videos, how we're doing them. I ordered an action camera, one of the cheap ones off eBay. I'm going to give one of them a shot. They were highly reviewed, you know, said they're pretty good. So that'll give us more, I guess you would call it B-roll is what I would call it. But it's going to be where I'll record and we'll just go full bore on something and you see the whole process. I don't know if you're going to see the other guy so much. I hit him so hard, the only thing that's left is his jumpsuit. No, he's out of town right now. So it's just me here. I'm going to jump to get this stuff done. This truck's all clear now. Done. You saw us spray it. The only thing left to do is we're putting a steering wheel on it. And we had to replace the AC pump, which I already did. But that's going to get out of here as soon as we get the wheel back on it. And then we're going to finish this one up. And when it's done, we actually have another one of these. I don't know if we're building it yet. But it's raining and super cold outside. I'll show you. It's right there. So that might be getting built. And yes, it might be on another Dakota. But who knows? That's a V6 Dakota 3.9. Yeah. But that's good for, like, it gets 20, sometimes more miles per gallon. So we like to build them where you can drive them, like really drive them, like this one. This is a 5.2 automatic. You guys saw or watching the build, actually, probably already seen all of it by the time this actually gets seen. But yeah, this thing will get, like, I think they get 17 miles per gallon, maybe 15, I'm not sure. But still totally drivable. Like, you can go 100 miles an hour if you want to. I wouldn't. But yeah, get this one done, that one out of here, start on something else. I'm back on the rockers. Don't forget, check it out, buy the merch. Alright, basically done. Just gotta grind it all now. Again, this is a rat rod, so a little hole here and there, no problem. But I done stood on it. I'm a heavy dude. I'm going nowhere. So that's done. So the next thing I am going to tackle is going to be the heat and AC controls, which unfortunately I have to put kind of up high. I know some people don't like me walking around like this. It makes them dizzy. But done. These have to be grinded, by the way. They're not just going to be leaving like that. I already made that patch there too. I have to put them actually about like up here. And the reason is so the cable and everything can do the heat and AC control. and don't get in a bind. So that's next. And we actually have an avalanche seat going in here, so we'll have to get that. I still have to do the 2-inch drop in the rear and the 2-inch drop in the front. We'll have to go get them front drop spindles. Yeah, so I mean, and then we'll make it one color, which is going to probably be this color blue, so we'll be painting that. Put the bed back in, the bed floor, shall I say. We'll be painting the inside of the bed too to make it all one color. We got to hook up the heater core, and then it should basically be done. Not too much left. But remember, there is no such thing as done on a project. The owner might get it, do more, but as far as us, it'll probably be the end of the road. It's not bad. We got to do a little filler work here, paint the rockers the same color in the steps, a little bit of gauge work just to make it look good.